All right, so I'm doing the rear ABS sensors. I use this, again, this self-sealing, I think it's silicone or whatever, self-sealing, and then just a little bit of this Gorilla tape. Not much of the Gorilla tape, just more or less just making sure it doesn't unwrap, but it shouldn't. But I cleaned this up, alcohol and some other types of cleaners, contact cleaner, to really clean it up. There was a lot of debris on that tip there. I almost thought this was the wrong component or something in there, but it is different on the back, and this is only held by one bolt while it has a 2 spot. It's only held by one. And like I'd like to mention also, these connectors between the two are a little different. I think the other connector has a little bevel here, so if you don't get them in the right spot, this rubber seal will not go in all the way. And so between the ABS sensor and the brake sensor, that would keep you from putting in the wrong one. So an idiot-proof plug-in. So and I like to do is I use this connector spray, sprayed it in there to kind of clean it up as well. I have also this spray as well. This is really good stuff. What I also like to show is the bolt for ground. I wish I would have shown a picture of it before, but you can imagine it's never been taken out. And look at this. I just left it in this new product I'm going to share with you guys. And I did nothing. I mean, I might have just scrubbed it at the end and with water just to clean it up a little bit. But that was after the fact. And I'm going to show you, I wish maybe I'm going to do the other wheel as well. I'm just trying to improve conductivity with the grounds. Anyways, let me show you. And it was not readily available everywhere, but now I bought it at, did I buy it at Ace or Home Depot or whatever? This stuff is great. Like I said, I've seen it on TV. I just used this, threw it in there and let it sit all night. I think it says 30 minutes, you're good to go. This stuff, corrosion, whatever was on it, is gone. And anyway, I would definitely tell you to use it. Thirdly, let's see if I can get my head back there. But there's where the sensor goes. Again, another, I think, 5mm. Use a T-wrench here, quite long screw, and it goes. You can see there, my hand's trying to adapt to all the wiring, but yeah, right there is where it holds in. It goes into that area. Let me see if I get a little better lighting. So obviously it's counting the teeth while it spins. So there we go. Yeah, when I was talking about the connection piece, I was bringing that up because of the barrel, and that barrel at the bottom is different a little bit. So probably I'll do a real quick cleaning of that area, get rid of a little bit of corrosion, just make the connectivity good, and put the bolt in. And that's the bolt I was talking about. It had the grounding. Just want to improve grounding just to make it as good as can be. And then I'll put this puppy back on, put some anti-seize on, and I think it's 98 pounds the wheels get put on. I have to verify. I think the Cayennes are like 114, 115 pounds. This one I think is a little bit 92 to 98 or something like that is safe. And we'll do that. And so just basically just cleaning stuff up. So, but also wanted to bring up about that rust product. I'm gonna use that. Not that I've got a lot of stuff with rust on it, but just throw screws in there or whatever. And I'm telling you, man, this is good stuff. And it also says it's reusable, so I need like a container to put it back in. I don't really want to put it back in and get it dirty, but almost need a container to hold the old stuff because it's good stuff. So almost want to see what it try if I just put it on here and see what happens. But you know, you don't see it anyways. It's going to corrode right back unless I paint it. So thanks, guys.
As always, please subscribe.